Good morning, student. Student, Gopal Srivastava. I am taking your science. Okay. And student, as you know, I am explaining the exercise, explaining the topic of the chapter number 9, force, energy, and simple machine. Open your book. All of you open your book. And I hope, student, you are all revise and read properly at your what is the energy and what is the force, what is the effect of force and what is the form of energy. There is a concept check given after the completing of the topic energy. Okay, I will revise this one again. Okay, so all of you open the page number. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question. First of all, I am going to fill up the today's topic. Student, today is the 28th of the December 2020, class 5th, science. Today I am discussing about the simple machine. Very important topic. Page number 106. Okay, concept check. Concept check. Revise this once again. True, false. First, true or false. Also correct the wrong statement. Means false statement. A waterfall has both the kinetic and potential energy. Student, this first is true. Second, energy stored inside an object is called heat energy. Generally, energy stored in the kerosene, coal, diesel, petrol. This is also true. Third, a computer uses electrical energy. Yes, without electric it cannot work. Fourth, we can create energy in the laboratory. False. Because energy not created nor destroyed. Fifth, hydroelectricity is a non-renewable form of energy. Hydroelectricity generally produced by the water. You know, water is a renewable form of the energy. You can replenish again by using. So, 5 also false. Because it is renewable form of energy. I hope you are all written this in your fair copy, because explanation also required in this concept check. Okay, do complete this, student, in your copy. Now student, I am going to explain the simple machine. Today's topic, simple machine. Student, simple machine. Simple machine. Machine, but there is no any use of battery or electricity. Only there is simple points in the object which make our work easier. Like scissor, broom, scissor, broom, bottle opener, knife. They are simple machine in our home, at our home, which make our easier by giving very small effort, very less of effort and time. They make our work easier. So simple machine are the tools that make our work easier and take less of time, also take less of effort. Okay. Yes. How can you explain in your words? Simple machines. Simple machines are tools which make our work easier, faster, and take less effort and less of time. Okay. Example, KNI, knife. Okay. Broom. SCISSORS, scissors. Okay. Simple machine are knife, broom, scissor, BO, bottle opener. Okay. You know, student, these are the some tools which are found in our houses, in our home, and these are very important tools by which we can make our work very easier, faster, and giving very less effort, very less force. Okay. So some common example of simple machine. This is some common example of simple machines. Okay. Now, student, the main simple machine which are basis of the all other machines are lever. LEVER, lever. INCLI, inclined plane. Types: lever, inclined plane. Okay. Wedge, wheel, and axle. WEDGE, wedge. Wheel and AX. हमें 1, 2, 3, 4 and last is pulley and screw. PULLEY and SCREW. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are mainly 6 types of simple machines that make our work easier. Okay. Our work easier. So these are the main machine, main tools, that is lever, inclined plane, wedge, wheel and axle, and pulley and screw. So student, I am going to explain one by one. So all of you take your, you can write down on for the preparation for the learning tips, make you tips for the learning purposes of the book. Okay, so lever, inclined plane, wedge, wheel and axle, pulley and screw, they are the 6 types of simple machine. Now I am going to explain one by one about lever. Lever is a simple machine which can be used to lift object. Lever for lift to object. लिफ्ट टू ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स किसी वस्तु को चाहे छोटी हो या बड़ी हो उठाने के लिए यूज किया जाता है, लीवर का यूज होता है. ओके, बड़े बड़े लट्ठे को उठाना हो तो बहुत से लोग मिलकर भी नहीं उठा पाएंगे, लेकिन एक बड़े सी बल्ली लगा करके उसको नीचे से लगा देंगे, उसके बाद पीछे से उसको पुश कर देंगे तो आगे चला जाएगा. So this make very less effort, and you know there are some fixed point by which a lever can make our work very easier. Okay, so there are generally 3 types of simple machine. In simple machine there are 3 main points. One is the fulcrum, second is the effort, and third is the load. Effort, which are by using by your hand. Load, an object which are we done on the for proper giving shape or lift of the object or any activity. Okay, and fulcrum is a point where our machines are moved. Okay, now lever is a bar like rigid object. Lever is a bar like rigid object. This is the bar, B-A, bar. Bar like rigid object. Okay, you know student, in the bar to move about a fixed point, this is called fulcrum. Suppose this is a fixed point by which a bar can move all around. This is called fulcrum. 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 In the bar, it move the bar. It move the bar. Okay. So it can be used to increase the force applied by us. It can move fastly or slowly by applied force on the bar from this side or from this side. We move that from the applied force through our hand. So this is called the what, student? It can be used to increase the force applied to by us. For example, a long bar move blunder as a simple machine, that is called lever. Okay, so generally I say that we can apply force to decrease our work or increase our work. Decrease our work means suppose the scissor, knife is very sharp object, but we can apply very less of effort in the operation theater when doctor use this instrument for the operating of an ill person. Okay, so we can use force to decrease or increase the activity or force. Okay, student. You know, student, liver have three parts. Okay, so liver have three parts. You know, student, what is the three parts of the liver? Liver has the three parts. What is this, student? The load, the fuel, fulcrum, and effort. Effort means the force, push or pull, which are giving on object. Okay, the push or pull. Okay, that move the lever. That move the lever. Okay, and fulcrum, the point on which lever turns. The point where lever turns. Turns, or you can say move, or turns, or is support, or support. Suppose, student, suppose this is the seizure. So seizure, this is the, generally what is this? This is the effort. This is fulcrum. And suppose this is the any object which are for the cutting purposes. It's called load. So load, what is the definition of load, student? The weight on which, the weight, W-E-I-G, weight on which force applied. Okay, force is applied. Force is A-P-P-L-I-E-D. I think you are understood about my explanation. Lever is a rigid bar. Lever is a rigid bar where is a fixed point that is called the fulcrum, which is move the bar. Which is move the bar. Suppose this is the bar and this is a fixed point where it move all around. So in the lever there are three main parts, that is load, fulcrum and effort. I am giving an example, simple tools like scissor, catchy, which is the three parts, effort, fulcrum in the middle and load in the other side. Okay. Now student, on the basis of position of load, fulcrum and effort, lever are three types. Okay, lever have three types. First class lever, first class, second class and third class. On the basis of the position of load, fulcrum and effort, the lever are three types. First class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Okay student? You can see in your book. You can see in your book. First class, second class, and third class. Now, student, I am going to explain by one first class, second class, and third class. Okay. When first class level, when fulcrum in between load and effort. When fulcrum is between the load and effort. You know, student, seesaw, pillar. Example, seesaw. P-I-L-L-E-R, pillar. It is also called plier. P-L-I-E-R. P-L-I-E-R, plier. Pliers. Okay, plier, pliers. Scissor. Hammer. Okay. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. H-A-M-M-A, hammers. So, seesaw, no student, this is the middle point, and suppose there are two persons are sit from the in part of the this is the bar or rod. When they push, they will upside. When they will push the lower side, they will lift the upside. So this is the fulcrum in the middle, and this is the load, and this is the effort. Okay. Example, another example is, I have already explained about the part. Suppose this is the SCI scissors. This is the effort, fulcrum, and this is the, suppose this is a cloth, this is load, L-O-A-D. So when fulcrum is between the load and effort, it is called a first class lever. Okay, plier in pillars. Suppose this is a plier, P-L-I-E-R, plier. This is the using for load, fulcrum, and effort. This is all the example of first class lever. Okay, student. Now I will explain the second and third class lever in your next online class. So write down today's homework. Read about simple machines. All of you write down this. I hope you will all read properly at your home. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Thank you. Write down the homework.